What if I told you there's a loophole in the YouTube algorithm that can get you 1,000 views in under 24 hours? YouTube doesn't want you to know about it. I've tested this on 3 channels, and today I'm breaking the rules to show you how it works. Most creators ignore this, but YouTube's algorithm loves searchable content. Here's the trick. Target low competition keywords with high monthly searches.
Example, instead of how to get views, search for how to get views on YouTube as a beginner 2024. Less competition, same intent.
Pro tip, add your keyword in the first 3 words of your title. The algorithm scans that first. YouTube decides whether to push your video in the first 24 hours. Here's how to game it.
Share it in 3 niche communities: Reddit, Discord, Facebook groups with value-first messaging. Don't say watch my video, say watch my video. Say I made a guide to fix XYZ problem. Let me know if it helps.
Ask 5 friends to watch the full video, not just click. Retention equals algorithm fuel.
Pin a comment asking viewers to reply why yes if this helped. Boosts engagement.
Step 3. The algorithm bait thumbnail and title.
Your thumbnail needs contrast, a face, and curiosity, for example.
A bad example would be something like get more views with generic text.
But a good example? You pointing shocked at a 1,000 views counter with a red arrow.
Pair it with a title that asks a question or promises a secret, like the one thing YouTube's algorithm wants you to do.
Step 4. The Trendjack secret.
Find a trending topic in your niche, like YouTube Shorts Updates 2024, then add your twist.
For example, how to use YouTube Shorts to get 1,000 views fast, even if you're late.
Trends get free promotion from YouTube. Ride the wave.
Step 5. The watch time loop.
Create a playlist with your video and 2 older videos. YouTube autoplays them, boosting watch time.
Add a verbal call to action. Watch next to learn how I got 10,000 views with one video.
These hacks work, but they require action. Comment 1K below if you're trying this, and I'll reply with tips. Smash like if you want part 2, how to get 10,000 views with 0 effort. And don't forget to check out my best video and hit the subscribe button.